Here I have Samsung Galaxy A15, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot Mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to connect your device to computer with USB cable, just like this. So then you should turn it off by holding down power key, and after device completely turns off you have to hold down power key plus volume up at the same time like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see Samsung logo appeared, you can release all keys and just be patient. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the second option, reboot to bootloader, and after that device will boot in Fastboot mode. So when you're done using this mode, to quit it, what you have to do is to hold down volume down key plus side key for more than 7 seconds, and after that device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.